Hey everyone, you've just discovered a hidden treasure chest filled with cryptocurrencies. But to claim your prize, you need a special key, your wallet address. Hook. Ever wondered how to find this magical key on Newton? Let's dive in and unlock the mystery together. Building context. Before we get started, let's understand why a wallet address is so important. Think of it as your digital bank account number. It's the unique identifier that allows you to send and receive cryptocurrencies. Without it, you're essentially locked out of the crypto world. Step 1. Access your Newton account. The first step is to log into your Newton account. If you haven't created one yet, don't worry, it's a quick and easy process. Just head over to Newton's website and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 2. Navigate to your wallet. Once you're logged in, look for the Wallet or Portfolio section. This is where you'll find all your crypto holdings. Click on it to access your wallet. Step 3. Locate your wallet address. Inside your wallet, you should see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Click on the specific cryptocurrency you want to send or receive. A new page will appear, displaying details about that coin. On this page, you'll find your wallet address. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Copy this address carefully, as it's essential for any transactions. Tips and precautions. Here are some important tips to keep in mind. Double-check, always verify the wallet address before sending funds. A single typo could result in irreversible loss. Security, never share your wallet address with anyone you don't trust. Phishing scams are common, so be cautious. Backup, it's crucial to back up your wallet seed phrase. This is a secret phrase that allows you to recover your wallet if you lose access to your account. Additional features. Newton may offer additional features related to wallet addresses. For example, you might be able to generate QR codes for your addresses, making it easier to scan and send funds. Explore your wallet settings to see what options are available. Conclusion. That's it. You've successfully found your wallet address on Newton. With this knowledge, you can now confidently send and receive cryptocurrencies. Remember to always prioritize security and double-check addresses to avoid mistakes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.